How to fix unable to connect to login servers in Aion 2. So if you want to fix unable to connect to login servers in Aion 2, then so first, if you are using exit lag, you will need to basically click on the Aion 2 entry, and then you need to go with the connections option. From the connections, you need to click on Aion 2 and then make sure to enable the direct login option, and then click on the re-optimize section, which will be on the right side. And once it's done analyzing, just hit the apply route button, which will be on the top. And now you'll just need to hit the start button to launch the game, and this should detect the connection automatically. And if you're still having the issue of unable to connect to login servers, then try this alternative way to fix it. First, you will need to close the game. After closing, you need to right click on your Windows, and then you'll find an option of Windows PowerShell Admin. Or if you don't find it right here, then you just need simply go with your Windows button and then search for Windows PowerShell, right click on it, go with Run as Administrator. After that, click on Yes. You can also open up your CMD or your terminal in your Windows 11 as the administrator, and you will need to run the following commands. So the first one is ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then hit the enter. And after that, the second one is ipconfig space / release. And then you will need to run the same command, but this time you need to enter renew after ipconfig, and then enter and wait for it. Now the next command is netsh space winsock space reset. Once done, the next command is netsh space int space ip space reset. Again, hit the enter. And the last one is netsh space adv firewall space reset. Press the enter. Once you're done, you can close this window. Right click on your network adapters, which will be on the bottom. Open up your network and internet settings, and then you can click on change adapter settings. Or if you don't find it, you can also just simply go back and then search for control panel. Click on the control panel. After that, here you'll find network and sharing center. Click on the network and sharing center option, and then go with change adapter settings, which will be in the left side. And here you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go and select the internet that you are using. Like for example, I'll go with this one, or you can also go and select cable. If you're using your cable or your Ethernet, it will usually look like this. And then just right click on it, go with properties. Once you go with properties, you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with the Internet Protocol version 4. Just double click on it, and then you will get use the following IP address and use the following DNS server address. On the bottom, go and select this one. And here you need to enter the addresses, which is on the top, you need to enter 8.8.8.8. And then on the bottom, you need to go with 8.8.4.4. After that, press on OK, and then just again go with OK. Now you can go back and your problem might be fixed. Now you can restart your Purple and also restart your exit lag, and your problem might be fixed. Or you can also open Purple as your admin. So if you want to open Purple as your admin, what you need to do is just simply search for Purple and then right click on the application. Like for example, I'll go with this one, and then you will have an option of Run as Admin. You need to click on Run as Admin on your Purple. After that, the problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.